Patricia Worby, Lockdown Gardener. Hello, and here's another video on how to prune roses in containers. Now, roses are generally very gross feeders. They need a lot of feed to survive, and so in a container there might be an issue. And as you can see with this one, we've got one stem that is really not doing very well. It's hardly got any leaves, it's quite yellow, and it really needs cutting down, which I'm going to do to promote some fresh growth. So I find a position where there's a little scar. I'll show you what I mean by that. Just cut above that, take that one out, get rid of it. We may take this one off as well, because that's also not doing very well. Roses do very well with pruning, and in fact it's a good idea. And now we can start to see that we're leaving just the fresh new growth. We're taking off any leaves that are yellow or show signs of rust, which is those black dots you can see there. Now these need to be disposed of in the bin, not composted, because unfortunately it spreads. And then once you've done that and taken off all the dead and rather less than healthy growth, number one rule is your feed. I tend to use tomato feed in the summer, and then maybe later in the year I might use something a bit stronger with liquid seaweed. So I've already added that to the water, and I'm just going to now water that in and let that soak right down. You may need to put a pot holder underneath the pot, so something like a saucer, which will help retain water. In summer you need to remove those in the winter, as pots are very liable to freezing. So that's my rose. That's going to do a lot better now it's been pruned and cut down. See you soon. Bye.